Welcome to this video on the top 10 strategies for business finance. As a business owner or entrepreneur, managing your finances is crucial to the success of your company. In this video, we will discuss some of the most effective strategies that you can use to secure funding, manage your cash flow, and make the most of your financial resources. As always, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all of the latest news. Let's get started. Number 1. Develop a solid business plan. A business plan is a comprehensive document that outlines your company's goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. It's an essential tool for securing funding, attracting customers and partners, and guiding your business's growth and development. When developing your business plan, be sure to include detailed financial projections that outline your expected revenue, expenses, and profits. This will help investors and lenders understand your financial needs and see the potential for return on their investment. Number 2, explore all funding options. There are many different options for funding a business, including loans, grants, investments, and crowdfunding. It's important to explore all these options to find the one that best fits your needs. For example, a small business loan may be a good choice if you need a large amount of funding quickly, while crowdfunding may be a better option if you want to raise smaller amounts of money from a large number of people. Be sure to research the terms, fees, and requirements for each type of funding to determine which one is the best fit for your business. Number 3, manage cash flow. Effective cash flow management is crucial to the success of any business. This means carefully tracking and managing your income and expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and being proactive about addressing any potential issues. Some strategies for managing cash flow include implementing a budget, setting up systems for invoicing and payment, and using tools like financial forecasting to predict future cash flow needs. By staying on top of your cash flow, you can ensure that you have the resources you need to meet your financial obligations and invest in the growth and success of your business. Number 4, use technology to your advantage. There are many tools and technologies available to help businesses manage their finances more effectively. These include accounting software, invoicing and payment platforms, and financial management tools. By leveraging these technologies, you can streamline your financial processes, reduce errors, and make more informed financial decisions. For example, using accounting software can help you track your expenses and income more accurately, while invoicing and payment platforms can help you get paid faster. Number 5, monitor your credit score. Your credit score is an important factor in your ability to secure funding and loans for your business. Your credit score is an important factor in your ability to secure funding and loans for your business. It's important to monitor your credit score regularly and take steps to improve it if necessary. This might involve paying off outstanding debts, limiting your use of credit, and building a strong credit history. By maintaining a strong credit score, you can increase your chances of getting approved for loans and other forms of financing. Number 6, diversify your funding sources. It's always a good idea to diversify your funding sources rather than relying on just one or two sources of financing. This can help protect your business in the event that one funding source dries up or becomes unavailable. Some options for diversifying your funding include using a combination of loans, grants, and investments, as well as using multiple lenders or investors. By diversifying your funding sources, you can reduce your financial risk and ensure that you have a stable source of capital to support your business. Number 7, negotiate favorable terms. Whenever you are seeking funding or entering into financial agreements, it's important to negotiate favorable terms. This might involve negotiating lower interest rates, longer repayment periods, or more flexible repayment terms. By negotiating favorable terms, you can reduce the financial burden or your business and increase your chance of success. Be sure to do your research and understand the terms that are typical for your industry, so you can negotiate from a position of strength. Number 8, monitor your expenses. Closely monitoring your expenses is a key strategy for managing your business's finances. This means keeping track of where your money is going and making sure that you are not overspending in any one area. Some strategies for monitoring your expenses include setting a budget, conducting regular financial reviews, and using tools like expense tracking software. By keeping a close eye on your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut costs and redirect those resources towards more productive uses. Number 9, look for ways to cut costs. In addition to monitoring your expenses, it's important to constantly look for ways to cut costs and increase efficiency. This might involve negotiating better deals with suppliers, automating certain processes, or outsourcing certain tasks. By finding ways to cut costs, you can free up more financial resources to invest in the growth and success of your business. Be sure to carefully assess the impact of any cost-cutting measures on your business's operations, and only implement changes that will have a positive effect on your bottom line. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice when it comes to managing your business's finances. This might involve working with a financial advisor, accountant, or a lawyer who can provide expert guidance and help you navigate the complexities of business finance. By working with professionals, you can make more informed decisions and increase your chances of financial success. Be sure to do your research and choose professionals with experience in your industry so you can get the most value out of their expertise. In conclusion, these are the top 10 strategies for business finance. By developing a solid business plan, exploring all funding options, managing cash flow, leveraging technology, monitoring your credit score, diversifying your funding sources, negotiating favorable terms, monitoring your expenses, looking for ways to cut costs, and seeking professional advice, you can effectively manage your financial resources and increase your chances of success as a business owner or entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. We will see you next time.